So, what do we have on the GBPCHF on the weekly perspective? As we discussed in our previous video in GBP we said that GBP was expected to move to the downside due to some fundamental reasons. So, GBPCHF is also expected to move lower. So, and also the technicals indicate a sell. How? Let me show you. First of all, let's see the market move to the downside, made a correction to the upside, again an upward correction, and it continued its movement to the downside. So, on a weekly perspective, what we can see is that a strong support at this point, which now can be seen as broken to the downside because of this tail, we are expecting the market to move to the downside. What kind of movement do we expect on GBP CHF? We expect the market to move down to this support and then shift its trend to the upward direction. So, this is on the weekly perspective. Coming to the daily perspective, what kind of situation do we have? So as we can see that the market is currently making lower low, higher high, lower low, again a higher high, and then a lower low. So we are expecting the market to continue its downward trend. What will be our target in the downward direction? As we can see, the market while moving to the upward direction was clearly bullish in spite of only this candle, which was red candle. So we can expect this to be a strong support, which resistance, which will now turn into support. So we're expecting the market to move to the downside direction from this point and then change its trend and then move to the upside direction. So students, what should we do? We should have a small entry. Another thing which we should consider is that this support, which is now broken, let me change the color of this, with support this resistance, which is now with this support which is now turned into resistance, is broken. So we can have a good and safe entry in sell to this support. And after this market reaches this point, what we will do, we will steady the monitor the price action of the market at this point. And if we find the direction of the market changing in the upward direction, we can have a good short-term entry in the buy direction. If you liked our analysis, do like and follow, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact in the comment section.